What are you doing, Nanny?
Oh, hello, Kyla. I'm comparing a paperback and a hardback cover, both published through KDP.
Cool. The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
As you can see, it's got a nice glossy finish. And here is the barcode. All the text is visible on the spine. The book binding looks strong. The first inside page is very thick and feels of good quality. The other pages feel of good quality, good enough for a book like this to write in.
I like books like that.
Oh, do you? Do you want to write some of your dreams down?
Yeah.
Oh, well, if you're good, I might let you have this one.
I'm always good.
I'm pretty sure you are. Because printing hardback is not available in the UK, I ordered from France and it was printed in Poland. This looks a bit messy here. We have another good quality thick page at the back. All in all, a good strong hardback book, ideal for a dream diary.
Cool.
Now let's compare it to the paperback version. Again, it has a glossy finish and all text is visible on the spine. All in the pages are the same thickness compared to the hardback book, which has two thicker, higher quality pages front and back. The paper quality seems sufficient to write on for journal books and diaries like this. There are a couple of blank pages at the back of the book. This paperback was printed here in Great Britain and the barcode does look a lot neater compared with the hardback, which was printed in Poland. The cover feels quite thick, so I think it would be strong enough for daily use.
Once I dreamed about clowns, Nanny.
Did you? Was it a funny dream?
No.
Oh, well, you could write about your clown dreams in one of these diaries. Take your pick, paperback or hardback.
Amazing.
If you already haven't done so, subscribing to this channel could help you get published.
Go on. What are you waiting for?